was rats in this though, that's for sure. They moved dead rats out of here.
Is there anybody in here? Is there anybody in here?
See, it looked like people were like living in here. Like little kids. Unless kids were being locked in here. We can come in here and shut the door.
Any spirits here right now?
Like underwear and like.
Do you need my help?
Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Shit! Mom, as soon as you said that, the door flew open. Oh my God, I just shit myself.
I hope I got that on camera.
We fucking ran. Oh my God.
Can you shut the door? If you have enough strength to open it, can you shut it?
Oh shit. Oh, my heart.
My camera keeps trying to focus in and out.
Oh, my heart.
Are you scared?
Very. I thought we were getting locked in.